Hello people, welcome to our first video. Today we are going to be reacting to some horror stuff by Dr. Nowhere. This is The Idiots, and I am Brantley Boy, the bread man. Say hi. My one, Zion. Say hi.
Yeah, I duke it everywhere like queso.
Hello? Oh, my chair. Hello, people. Welcome to our first video. I am Brantley Boy. The bread man is Microwave. Say hi.
Hi.
And the other one is Zion. Say hi.
Hi.
She's the only girl. Alright. Hello, people. Welcome to our video. No. Hello, people. Welcome to our first video. I am Brantley Boy, the bread man. Say hi, Microwave.
Hello.
Say hi, Zion.
I don't like you.
We're going to be reacting to horror stories by Dr. Nowhere. This is our first video, so we all hope you enjoy, and let's hop right into it.
Alright, so this is the guy that we're gonna be reacting to, Dr.
Underwear.
The first video we're reacting to is Concept Toe 1.
Okay.
Barely looks like a toe.
Start it.
Alright, here we go.
I don't like this
Wait,
guy.
shut up, we need to watch! You're ruining it, shut up! We need to watch, guys.
He's cracking it.
I'm green.
He's gonna break up
No.
the screen, guys.
Oh no, my computer.
Sinister Squidward! This is the second video. Toe 2.
Concept.
Toe
Toe 2. Tattoo. Alright. Here we go. Stop!
Hello?
Hello.
What do you want?
Who would say hello to a TV?
What do you want?
Shh.
Please go away. Please go away.
I'm sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
Go.
So I think he's like outside somewhere.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh. Who is that? Ooh.
Guys, I'm crying. Guys, I'm gonna bomb.
No.
Guys, he's hungry. He's hungry.
Don't look
He's hungry.
Don't look at me.
But he looked like that.
That's what Briley looks like when he's getting a snack. At 3 a.m.
No, that's the camera. The camera's inside the fridge.
Oh yeah, and that's you.
Stop
Lucky! Okay.
Why did you do that?
Okay. So our opinions on that video, technically the both of the videos. That's not all we're watching. That was
Wee wee
scary.
balls. I don't like it.
That was scary. That was scary.
That was wee wee balls.
I think it looked like me to the fridge.
Yeah, 3 a.m.
What a fatty.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
I think the videos rhymed with Grug.
Okay.
We're gonna cancel.
You guys
Oh,
ready?
this is 3 minutes.
Are you
This
guys
is
ready?
3 minutes.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Guys, I'm gonna piss myself.
We'll say that. Time to rise and shine.
I'm gonna choke on my cocky.
Good children are up bright and early.
I'm
a good boy. I'm a good boy.
I'm a good boy.
Oh, that's the room that they were in. That the guy was in.
Ew.
Don't say that. I'm under your bed.
Mhm.
Was that a ball?
It's a strawberry. It's a blueberry with a stand face.
Boys do not play with their food until it's gone.
What was that?
Good night.
You're joking.
Good girls make friends.
Shut up, Dream.
I don't have friends.
Ooh.
Oh.
What is this? For governmental personal. What? Groovy. Yeah. What's up? It's been like forever.
Okay. Seriously, thought you were dead or something.
Who is
I
Dominic?
am.
Look, we've been online for a while. We've been online friends for a while now. Yes, best friends. Yeah.
That's how he is.
Yeah. Hey, look, I know it's none of my business, but it feels like you've been acting really distant lately. If you've been going through something, I'm here so you can talk to me.
You
Okay.
read that wrong.
Like I said, some of my beeswax, and you do not have to say nothing, but do you need something? Face call, please. Oh no. Video call?
Oh.
It's like almost 1 a.m. where I'm here. Man. Whack time zones, remember? Please now.
Wee wee.
Seriously, are you good? Like I said, I'm here if you want to talk. No, you started that new school recently and it was whack. Okay, yes, talk face. Hey, no, seriously, I camped.
I camped.
This is how
But
this is how
tomorrow, okay?
we talk.
Please let me
Yeah.
friend.
Plizzy, don't
Girl,
let
right
me
now.
friend.
Please, 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 please.
Please, 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 please.
Whoa, okay. Please, 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 please.
Beep, 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 beep,
I'm
beep.
cool, man. What the heck? Okay. Please be as quiet as possible. Like whisper. Yes. It's the guy.
I also think it's the guy. Starving. Help. Yeah.
This is how we talk.
This is how we talk.
We're cavemen.
Oh no.
Oh.
None of it.
Ew.
Oh,
Oh, I just did me.
no.
My spine tingled. My opinion on that video. I feel like Toe 3, I feel like Toe 2, I feel like the person he was talking to was the guy from Toe 2. The guy who got eaten, I think. What do you...
No 3.
Ew! No, shut. I'm leaving that in the video.
I think the third toe was the most interesting. I think it had a ton of lore.
Lore.
Baby. I think they're off BP.
About to get Matt Pat in here. Alright,
This is
it was interesting. I knew the guy was him though, but you know. Burger.
Okay, wait. Gracie, what's
You
your
know funny
opinion?
burger?
That's not 2 letters long.
Um,
Alright,
When
I'm
we
going 2
cry,
letters.
when we cry. Piss. Bath.
This is the second one. This is the second to last video we're gonna watch. The boiled one, phenomenon.
We need to watch the boy in the bath because apparently doesn't take baths or showers. He stinks.
I do.
Like moldy
Right.
cheese.
I thought I
I'm gonna
stink.
take one. I'm gonna take one after the video.
Okay,
Ew!
here we go.
Sounds safe.
Phenomenon 228.
A Christian Bible?
We be watching this.
I don't have a Bible.
Sure, we don't need this. Isn't that... Wait. Go back. Okay.
I can't see this paper. I have no hand. I can hear the laughter of thousands. Hey! I can hear the feast. I cannot move, nor do I want to.
Here you go. That was kind of like the one you just read. Oh, I can't hear the feast.
This is upside down.
Hey, wait a minute! It's upside down!
Guys.
That's what I do.
It's Bob. The Boiled One Phenomenon.
The boy one phenomenon.
August 13th, 2003. Tree of Heaven.
August 12, 2036.
The heat death of the universe. We have one of those bells. The exact one, actually.
It's a ball.
Yeah, we have one of those.
August 12, 2036.
Good morning, bushwhackers.
Get
Today
off
we're
me.
venturing into the heart of the forest to find a plant that's as beautiful as it is deceptive. Poison oak. We all know about it, and here in Pennsylvania it's not as common, but still something to look out for. And here on
That's near me.
we aim to uncover all the wonderful secrets that nature has to offer,
Sorry, my cat
No
came
matter how
over and stole my
minuscule.
headphones.
or gigantic. So let's get going, shall we?
Okay.
This isn't
Found
creepy at all.
primarily in deep North American woodlands,
Dude, if I get jump
poison
scared,
oak
I'm gonna
has
piss
many
myself.
different names and places of origin.
I have food. Can you not jump
also
scare me,
referred to
please?
as the true
I
have
also
food.
have food.
Imagine that.
I also
China
have
and
food.
Taiwan. One of
I have
the
Takis.
species made its way to America
I have,
I also have a
Doritos.
drink.
and took it
I have
around the
Takis and
world.
Dr. Pepper.
As many of us know, it's
And
infamous.
tube noodles.
Fatty.
What did I do? You
Nothing.
can't say the things that... Wait. Okay.
Fan 228!
I thought that was a baby. Ash baby. He's in there. Oh, that's a language. I can't really tell what language that is.
Fan 228. I watch too much Puff.
Okay.
No.
Man. Hey man.
Hi, buddy.
Looking away. Nope. Sorry, Fan 228. I'm not looking at you. Nope.
I am.
Cause a manifestation of my being in the future. You will be asleep in bed. I will be there and watch over you. When you wake, I will not be able to move any part of you. When the doctors eventually find you, they will not see me, but you will, and I'll see you too. Forever, I'll see you.
Oh, Pennsylvania. Oh.
Hey, that's like right next to us.
It's cool.
Huh. I wonder if that'll happen to us.
10228.
Ew.
The face was living in his brain, feeding on a spine. Ew!
Thought there was someone standing in the corner of my room.
August 12, 2036, the heat death of the universe.
Put my light on.
I'm changing my room color.
I'm also turning my light on.
You're also changing your light on.
Ohio.
Ohio, imagine.
That's where one of us lives, and I'm not saying it.
Hey, wait a minute.
I'm not saying who.
Ohio means only in. Wait.
Only in. Yes, O-N-O.
Something.
My name is Cleveland.
My name is Cleveland Brown.
Aftermath. I don't want to see the aftermath.
I saw a thing today, and it said Ohio stands for only in something Ohio. I'll find it.
He was coming up. Did you see that?
No?
Yeah,
Let me go back real quick.
I kind of did.
The doodle's going.
Oh. Is something like bouncing in the background, or are that my eyes? Guys, I'm seeing him.
Oh, he's there.
I looked up what Ohio means in slang, and it came up as yacht. And one of the recommendations is, what does yacht mean in slang?
Oh.
Oh my lordy lord! So wait, Malva! Oh!
It's coming out, guys.
I started crying last video.
For real?
Hello, Mr. I'm
going on?
Officer Gomez. Hope you're doing well today. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions regarding your condition and possibly unholiness within your home that your family had mentioned?
Morse code. What is that?
Wait, hon.
Your family had mentioned.
Doot 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 doot. Okay, we translated this. This means ask. So that's
Weird.
cool. It's weird, yeah.
Friendly or weird.
Okay,
Are you serious?
God.
I could have told you guys that it translated it after.
Well, man.
and foremost, did you notice any onset symptoms before you lost complete mobility of your body?
I'm not translating that. We're not.
Hey.
There was a
Yeah, there was a face.
When did you begin seeing this face? Interesting.
after I saw it on.
Many of the people who have seen the broadcast that you saw on August the 13th described having vivid and upsetting hallucinations.
Is it just me, or does that look like the top of the boiled one?
It is.
Do you think this is
I'm
something
gonna
your
do
brain
it for it,
has
brother. It
created?
scared me. Why'd you have to point that out?
Can you please describe this face to me?
Oh, it is in the window.
I still don't see it. Have you been having any hallucinations
cover that up.
aside from the face?
I'm gonna cover that up.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I haven't covered up or closed my eyes at all.
Are these screams constant?
I'm gonna find a piece of paper and tape it on the
Oh!
TV.
I can
Oh.
see you!
Thank you. You
Oh, I did
shedding
not see
light
that.
on this is helping more than you know.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
I'm not looking.
I am. Hey, buddy.
You've got a friend.
I don't see you.
in me.
Oh,
I don't see you.
he's outside the
You're not
house.
here.
Wonderful day.
Oh, the face in the middle. Look in the middle of his body. No. Nope.
Oh.
Wait, Toby, can you read that? You speak that, right?
Okay. Well, there's like a minute. There's exactly a minute left of the video.
Keep it going.
Listen closely.
I don't want to listen to you. Leave me alone.
You will hear the laughter of thousands
That's
as the sky
Not
opens
a
up.
heart. Never mind.
Leave me alone.
Oh.
You will hear the
Why is it
trumpets
pulsating?
play
Leave me
their happy
alone.
sounds.
Leave me alone.
The
Oh!
flood of life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast fit for a king. Together, melded by love and purest connection. Be still.
Oh, it has arms now.
That's Morse code.
That is Morse code.
You can't tell me that wasn't Morse code.
We're on to our last video, the boy in the bath. I'm not gonna sleep tonight. I don't know if you guys are. I'm dead. Guys, here we go.
That's my first time ever seeing that.
I've heard of it and I've seen Minecraft mods of it. That's about it.
Are you guys
Yeah.
ready for the boy in the bath?
I watched The Man from the Frog.
The same exact band, but with a Gmod PNG on it.
Oh no.
You cannot tell me this is not Gary's mod.
He's gonna be in the shower with you.
What?
Oh la la! What do you mean by that? I don't mean like that.
What do you mean by ula?
I don't mean like that.
The door's gonna open.
I mean, if you want to shower together, we can. Oh my god!
Ew.
Look.
This is
Oh.
like a piss.
Look at
Oh
his
la
head.
la! You waiting for me?
You leave me.
Why did you leave me here? I'm not scared of this one.
I never existed.
He looks
I'm
like
not-
that. He looks like that one SCP.
white man with that-
SCP-096. The guy that goes,
The white man with the fat. Yeah, I remember that.
Nope. No. No.
No, you heard
Oh, buddy.
me. It was all your
That's what I hear from the boy in the bath. From, like, the Minecraft mods. Like the puff. He says, no boy in the bath! And all you.
Okay,
Oh,
So-
Markiplier.
so
Why'd you stop screen share?
because we're done. On my opinion on that,
Mm-hmm.
I First of all, what happened to the top of his head? Okay.
He's
and
bald
second,
anyway.
He looked like that one SCP-096, the screaming guy. If you don't know what I mean, then search up 096. I think it's that. I'm gonna do my research while you guys talk. Okay, so it
I
is
think
SCP-096.
I think one day we should watch. I think one day we should watch the others because I think there's more. Like I think all the videos are connected.
Yeah. Okay, Grace, you got anything to say besides like actually saying something? I think that was the end of the video. That was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it.
We're trying to pass this guy in subscribers. His name was Doge.
And also, there's something in Brantley's closet.
What?
Wait.